Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's make a bold, aromatic dry shrimp chammanthi powder. This flavorful Kerala condiment can be stored for a long time and taste absolutely amazing with rice and fresh curd. The smoky coconut, spicy chilies, and crispy shrimp create an irresistible mouth-watering blend. Required ingredients: curry leaves, tamarind, dried red chilies, small onions, pepper, ginger, garlic, shredded coconut, dried shrimp, and rock salt. Let's go into the preparation step by step. Heat a pan and add 3 full coconuts shredded. No oil is needed for roasting the coconut. The natural oil will release from the coconut itself. Stir continuously, otherwise it may stick to the pan. Roast until it turns a rich golden brown color and releases a nutty aroma. Once done, transfer the roasted coconut into a large bowl. In same pan, add 200 grams of small onions. Add a little coconut oil if needed and salt the onions until they become soft and golden brown, releasing a sweeter aroma. Once done, transfer them to the same bowl. Add 100 grams of chopped ginger to the pan and salt lightly. Add 100 grams of garlic and stir until it turns light golden and fragrant. Transfer this mixture to the same bowl. Add 30 grams of dried red chilies to the pan. Add 1 handful of curry leaves and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of pepper. Add 50 grams of tamarind. Mix everything well. Add rock salt to taste. Salt them until everything becomes crispy, making a crackling sound and releasing a rich, aromatic flavor. Once done, transfer it to the same bowl. Now add 250 grams of dried shrimps, cleaned in water. Fry the shrimps at the end so every ingredient keeps its own rich flavor. Fry until the shrimps become crispy, aromatic, and slightly golden. Transfer the fried shrimps to a separate plate. Now grind all the ingredients except the shrimps in a mixer jar into a coarse powder. Grind while the mixture is still slightly warm, otherwise it may not grind properly. Transfer the powder into a large bowl. Now grind the fried shrimps separate. Leave a few shrimp bits for extra crunch and flavor. Add the shrimp powder to the bowl. Mix everything together thoroughly until the flavors combine. Store it in an airtight container. This helps keep the flavor, aroma, and crispiness fresh for a long time. And there you have it, spicy, smoky, and mouth-watering dry shrimp chammanthi powder ready. Perfect with hot rice or even dosa. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.